Okay, we continue deformer menu with explosion deformer. This deformer used to explode the polygon of the objects. For example, I insert a sphere here, increase its segments and change the type of the sphere like this, and assign the explosion deformer by holding shift and click on, first select the sphere, the desired object, holding shift and click on explosion. It's make a child of it, the purple command that our deformer have to be child of the desired object, and going to change the strength to explode the polygon of the object, as you can see. This is ending bit 100%, and it's just that. It doesn't go up higher than 100. As you can see, the polygons explode, rotate, and randomize, and disappear to the end. Because we have something speed. If you increase this number, the polygon take too long to disappear when we are going to 100. Okay, they take too long. If you reduce the number, the polygon immediately will be disappear, as you can see, along 0 to 100%. Angle speed, it rotates the polygon to the end. If you increase the number, the polygon rotate more around themselves. Okay, as you can see, they are rotate more. If you set it to the 0, the polygon does not rotate, and just changing the position and gone. Okay, the end size, as you can see, if we going to the 100%, the polygon making smaller to the 0. If you bring it up, for example, any number that you want, when we're reaching the end, the polygon does not, the polygon don't disappear. Also, the size, the end size will be increased. You can see that. If it's set it to 0, they will be disappear after 100 strengths. If you increase that do not disappear. And also there, for example, this is a normal size of the polygon. If they are reached the end, the size will be increased. Set it to the 0. If the angle speed 0, the randomness 0, as you can see, the polygon in its position and the rotation will be explode and disappear. The randomness, random everything, random position, random rotation, random distance between the center of the comment. It's random everything. If you want to very smooth and simple explosion, you can set the randomness to 0. The polygon explode in the rotation and in its position. For example, if you want to give this comment to the object that has a hierarchy, for example, this extrude, select the object first, holding shift, but maybe confused to this way. Click and drag it, give it a null, insert a null, and give both of them to under the null. In the deformer, when the deformer, the comment and the desired object are in the same hierarchy under the null, this comment assigned to that object, as you can see. Interesting part is that you can go into the cap and change the cap to, for example, n-gon, and we have one polygon, and explosion define it as a one polygon. You can change it anywhere in any time that you want, for example, to the regular grid. Interesting, everything you can change it here. So as you can see, it's it explode editable and also parametric objects. You can explode any object in this command.